Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about BMW R1300 GS showroom walk around. Welcome to an experience like no other. The BMW R1300 GS, a motorcycle that has redefined what it means to ride. Its presence commands attention, its design speaks of precision, and its performance is unmatched. But it's not just about the bike itself, it's about the feeling it gives you when you're in the saddle. This is the motorcycle that bridges the gap between rugged exploration and refined luxury. A fusion of power, technology, and craftsmanship that will change the way you think about adventure on two wheels. As you approach the BMW R1300 GS, you notice the first thing that stands out: its imposing presence. The bike is tall, purposeful, and ready for action. But it's more than just size, it's about the way every curve, every line, every detail has been thoughtfully designed to enhance the riding experience. The front end commands attention with its bold, angular lines, paired with an aggressive yet purposeful headlamp that signifies the R1300 GS's readiness for anything the road or trail can throw at it. This bike doesn't just look fast, it looks unstoppable. Moving along the side, the attention to detail becomes even more apparent. The intricate design of the bodywork, with its seamless integration of materials, is a testament to the precision engineering that BMW is known for. The tank, with its ergonomic shape, invites you to settle in comfortably, while the well-placed handlebars give you a feeling of control that makes the R1300 GS a joy to ride no matter the terrain. But it's not just about aesthetics. Every design element on the R1300 GS serves a purpose. The windscreen, for instance, is not just about style. It's designed to provide you with the best possible protection from the elements while keeping your line of sight clear as you ride. The ergonomics are carefully crafted to ensure that whether you're riding on a smooth highway or a rugged trail, you'll always feel in command of the motorcycle. Every aspect of the R1300 GS has been honed to perfection to give you the ultimate riding experience. The ride itself is an adventure in itself. Whether you're riding through dense forests, across expansive deserts, or navigating twisty mountain roads, the R1300 GS adapts to whatever challenge you face. The suspension system, with its advanced technology, ensures that you remain comfortable, even on the toughest trails. Every bump, every obstacle, is absorbed with ease, and yet, the bike remains perfectly balanced, giving you the confidence to push forward. When it comes to performance, the BMW R1300 GS excels in every way. The heart of this bike is its powerful engine, which delivers a level of torque and responsiveness that makes every twist of the throttle an exhilarating experience. Whether you're cruising at high speeds on the open highway or powering through a rugged mountain pass, the engine offers smooth, consistent performance that never falters. It's not just about raw power, it's about control and finesse. The R1300 GS is equipped with cutting-edge technology that enhances both the riding experience and the safety of the rider. The dynamic traction control, for example, ensures that you maintain a firm grip on the road no matter the conditions. Whether you're riding in rain, snow, or on loose gravel, the bike will adjust to give you the optimal amount of traction. The electronic suspension adjustment allows you to fine-tune the ride to your exact preferences, whether you're looking for a firmer ride for aggressive cornering or a more relaxed setting for long-distance cruising. And let's not forget about the advanced braking system, which provides you with the confidence to tackle even the most challenging terrains. The BMW R1300 GS is not just a motorcycle, it's a masterpiece of technology that makes your journey safer, smoother, and more enjoyable. But it's not all about performance and technology. The BMW R1300 GS is also about comfort. Long rides, whether across the country or through a remote wilderness area, can be grueling, but this bike ensures that every mile is as comfortable as the last. The seat is designed to provide maximum support, keeping you comfortable even after hours of riding. The adjustable footpegs and handlebars allow you to find the perfect riding position, no matter your height or riding style. The bike's design is centered around the rider's comfort, ensuring that you remain relaxed and focused on the journey ahead, not on your body's fatigue. As you sit on the bike and grip the handlebars, it's easy to feel connected to the road in a way that few other motorcycles can offer. The R1300 GS gives you the sense that you're not just riding the bike, you're becoming one with it. The precise feedback you get through the handlebars, the smoothness of the throttle, and the immediate response of the brakes all work together to create an experience that is intuitive and seamless. This is a bike that feels alive, responsive, and in tune with your every move. It's an experience that's hard to describe until you've felt it for yourself. But it's not just about the ride, it's about the lifestyle that comes with owning a BMW R1300 GS. It's about the sense of adventure, the freedom to explore the world on your own terms, and the knowledge that you're riding a machine that's been crafted with the utmost attention to detail. Owning an R1300 GS isn't just about having a motorcycle, it's about embracing a way of life. A life that's all about pushing boundaries, discovering new horizons, and experiencing the world in a way that only a motorcycle can offer. It's about more than just the destination, it's about the journey. The BMW R1300 GS is not just a motorcycle, it's a symbol of freedom and exploration. It's a reminder that the world is vast, and there's always more to discover, more to see, and more to experience. Whether you're riding through bustling city streets, along winding country roads, or across the open desert, the R1300 GS gives you the confidence to take on whatever lies ahead. It's not just a ride, it's an adventure. And with the BMW R1300 GS, that adventure is waiting for you. The road is calling, and the R1300 GS is the perfect companion to help you answer. As you stand before the bike, you can't help but imagine the endless possibilities that lie ahead. The world is your playground, and the BMW R1300 GS is the key to unlocking it. It's time to take the first step towards your next adventure. With the R1300 GS, the journey is just beginning. From the showroom to the open road, the BMW R1300 GS is ready to take you places you've never been before. The bike's design, performance, and technology come together in perfect harmony, creating an experience that's truly unmatched. It's a motorcycle that's built to last, built to perform, and built to take you wherever you want to go. So, what are you waiting for? The world is waiting for you, and the BMW R1300 GS is ready to help you conquer it. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the world of motorcycles, the R1300 GS offers something for everyone. It's a bike that's as versatile as it is powerful, as comfortable as it is capable, and as exciting as it is reliable. And with each ride, you'll discover a new side of yourself, a side that craves adventure, that seeks out new experiences, and that's always ready to push the limits of what's possible. The BMW R1300 GS is more than just a motorcycle, it's a lifestyle, a statement, and a passport to adventure. So take a deep breath, swing a leg over the seat, and start your journey. The world is waiting, and the R1300 GS is here to take you there. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.